Hi, have you ever finished your workday and wondered where all your time went? Meetings, emails, Excel reports, PowerPoint presentations, project updates. Most IT professionals spend hours every week on repetitive work that AI can now complete in minutes. In this video, I will show you the 7 AI workflows I personally believe every IT professional should start using today. These are practical workflows you can use immediately even if you are never used AI before. Welcome to Work Smart Tech. My name is Vishwanath. I work in enterprise IT and spend a lot of time reviewing reports, presentations, project updates, and executive communications. For the past year, I have been experimenting with AI to automate many of these repetitive tasks. Today, I am going to show you 7 workflows that have helped me work smarter and save time. Let's begin with something everyone writes every day: emails. Before sending an important email, I never send it directly. Instead, I ask AI to review it. Let me show you the mail. You can see on the screen, so this is the email, which is not great, right? So now, my prompt is simple. Let me show you what prompt I'll write. Okay, as you can see, review this email as if you are a senior executive, identify unclear missing information, tone improvements, possible misunderstandings, rewrite only if necessary. Okay, let me execute this. As you can see, within seconds, AI identifies awkward sentences, grammar issues, missing details, and even suggests a stronger subject line. Instead of spending 10 minutes rewriting the email itself, I get a polished version almost instantly. This is probably the easiest AI workflow anyone can start using today. Now my next workflow is analyzing the Excel reports. So you can see I'm showing you one of the Excel sheet. Okay, so you can see the columns. Okay, and you can see it is quite complex, and we have a number of rows. Okay, if I want to analyze it and give the information, right, it will take a number of hours for me to analyze and give the information back to the management, right? Instead of that, I'll be using AI here to analyze it. Okay, now instead of manually checking hundreds of rows, I upload the spreadsheet and ask AI, act as a senior business analyst reviewing this Excel report for the CIO, analyze the spreadsheet and provide first the top 3 business insights, any unusual trends or anomalies, potential business risks, any missing or inconsistent data, 3 recommendations for management, keep the response concise and suitable for an executive meeting. Within seconds, AI highlights issues that could easily be missed during a manual review. I will show it right now. I will execute this now. There you go. So you can see it has given me top 3 business insights, unusual trends, anomalies, potential business risks, missing or inconsistent data, recommendations for management. So it gave me all the information which I have to give it to my management. So this workflow is especially useful for managers preparing weekly or monthly business reviews. Now my next workflow is analyzing the presentation. As you can see, right, I have a presentation in front of me. Okay, so this is related to S/4HANA Finance Transformation slide, which I am going to use for Executive Steering Committee. Okay, so I'll just go through it. Okay, I have around 10 slides. Okay, but manually I am thinking that this is good, but let us see how AI can help here to analyze this and give me a best presentation and analysis of this presentation. This PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so now I have given the prompt. Act as a CIO reviewing this steering committee presentation. Analyze it and provide top 3 strengths, weak or confusing slides, missing business information, questions the CFO or CIO is likely to ask, business risks that are not highlighted. 3 recommendations to make this presentation executive ready. Okay, now you can see how AI is going to respond towards this. As you can see, it has given me top 3 strengths, weak or confusing slides related information, missing business information, questions the CFO or CIO is likely to ask, business risks which is not highlighted, and also 3 recommendations to make it executive ready. So it has given me a lot of information based on which I can use this information to prepare my slides again and then get those recommendations into the slides and present it to my management. So as you can see, instead of receiving design suggestions alone, I get feedback that improves the overall business story. Okay, let us go to our next workflow where we need to prepare before any meeting, right? So everybody is having a different meeting and we mostly go unprepared. Okay, so my recommendation is before joining an important meeting, I ask AI to help me prepare. Okay, and as you can see in my screen, I provide the meeting agenda, recent emails, and any background documents to AI, and then I ask, summarize the context, identify key discussion points, list likely questions, and suggest responses. So if I execute this, let us see what it gives to me. I have already uploaded the background document, recent emails, and also some other documents that is required here. As you can see, it is reading the documents. And you can see here, it has given me an executive summary of the business context, business scope, also gives me key stakeholders. Also, it gives me current project status, overall health, recent progress, open items, and also it has given me a key discussion point for steering committee. So instead of going through everything, I can go with the key discussion points in the meeting. And it has also given me different questions which is likely to be asked from the CIO or the management or the leadership. It has given me a number of questions, and also it has also provided me likely questions from the finance director, business leads. It has also highlighted me risks to highlight, and it also recommends executive messages, and also it is giving me a desired outcome from the steering committee, so which gives me ample opportunity to be prepared before meeting, and then instead of entering the meeting unprepared, I already know what to expect. So this really helps to provide us all the details and go prepared in the meetings. Now let us go towards our next workflow, which is reviewing the contract. As you can see in my screen, contracts can be lengthy and difficult to review. So I'll just scroll through. This is one of the sample contracts I'm showing it to you. But usually when you have a real contract, right, you can see that it is quite lengthy. It goes in pages around 40, 50, 60, 70, maybe even more than 100, right? So yeah, it becomes very difficult for reviewing those service agreement, the contracts, and understand the summary, understand the clause, etc. So AI helps by summarizing the document, identifying important clauses, risks, and obligations. Of course, this doesn't replace legal review, but it dramatically speeds up the first pass and helps you understand the document much faster. So now let me execute this prompt and see what it gives us. I have uploaded the sample document of contract. So it reads through all the pages. As you can see, it prepares you an executive summary. It also gives you key clauses Then it also helps us to get the key obligations from client, service provider, also highlights the key risks, and it also provides us recommended improvements before we can sign this document. So also it gives you a contract maturity as well. So you can see overall assessment here, it is showing a 7 out of 10. So that means it has more improvements to be made in this contract, and then we can go ahead and sign it. Okay, now let us go to our next workflow to review our project status report. As you can see in the screen, this is the project status report. Okay, and you can see it has got different details. Yeah, plan activities, milestone, risk, decisions required, budget summary, resource summary. Yeah, so we have a lot of details which is available in the project status report. Okay. Every project manager spends time preparing weekly updates. So instead of writing everything manually, I provide AI with meeting notes, action items, and project progress. AI generates a structured project status report including accomplishments, risks, blockers, and next steps. This saves time while keeping updates consistent. Let me show you how I have executed this in the prompt in ChatGPT and what it gives us. So I put the project status report here and have given the prompt, as you can see in the screen, and I'm going to send it. As you can see, within seconds, it has generated me a very short form of executive summary, key accomplishments, current risk, current blockers, next steps, milestone status, project health dashboard, management attention required. So yeah, and also it has given me what is the condition of the status where it is green. So it gives us much broader or much simpler information rather than going through the entire document and then be ready for the presentations. Now finally, one of the most valuable workflows, executive summary. Usually executives rarely have time to read long reports. So I'll show you one of the reports. Okay, as you can see, yeah, it has got a lot of information in it, and our executives doesn't have so much time to go through all this information. So we need to be concise and precise. Now as you can see in the screen, I have asked AI to create a one-page executive summary highlighting key decisions, business impact, risks, and recommendations. So instead of quote, I can provide a concise summary that leaders can review in just a few minutes. Let me execute this and see what results we get. As you can see, it is just reading the long document. Yeah, it is giving you the executive summary, which consists of your key decisions, business impact, key risks, recommendations, and also it gives you an overall executive assessment, and also it has stored on the screen. These 7 workflows have become part of my daily work routine. They don't replace your expertise. They help you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on decisions that matter. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments. Which workflow would save you the most time? If you are interested in practical AI tips for IT professionals, consider subscribing to Work Smart Tech. I publish new AI workflows every week, including my 30-second AI Check series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.